Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. This is what we refer to as our mud room. It's between our garage and our kitchen, right as you walk through the house. It's where we plan on taking our shoes off. It also has a half bath. And speaking of taking our shoes off, you're getting a sneak peek of a future video here. I'm working on a little cubby section for us to sit down, take our shoes off, put our keys, our gloves, hats, things of that nature. So be coming soon. Hopefully here in a week or two it'll be done. Today I'm focusing in the bathroom. We've got the half bath done here, everything except for some shoe mold around the base. And since I custom made my base molding and all the trim, I couldn't find a shoe mold that I thought complemented the base molding well. So today I'm going to be making base mold and putting it down. I'm going to be hanging a mirror in there and hanging a towel rack. So let's get to it. So I'm installing the shoe mold that I made, and anytime I'm working with a small room like the bathroom here, what I'll do is cut two straight pieces for the short ends and install those first. And then for the long wall, I'll cut it just about a 1/16 long and cope it on both sides. And when I put it in, I will actually bow the piece, bend it just a little bit, set it in, and then when it flexes out, it will tighten itself in place and have super tight joints. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Tell me why you didn't like it. You know, it's hard for me to fix things if I don't know why you don't like them. I'll also post a link to my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're not already following me there, check those out. We'll see you next time.